Hi guys, welcome back to another video on Solution Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a photo dump on CapCut in a quick and easy way. First, open the CapCut app on your phone. On the home screen, you'll see a big plus icon or new project option in the middle. Tap on it to start creating a new photo dump video. After tapping New Project, your gallery will open. From the top middle, select the Photos tab instead of Videos. This allows you to choose multiple pictures for your photo dump. Now, select all the photos you want to include in your photo dump. You can choose multiple images by tapping on them one by one. Once selected, tap Add at the bottom right corner to continue. After adding the photos, they will appear on the timeline. Here, you can adjust the duration of each photo and arrange them properly. This helps your photo dump look smooth and well organized. Once everything looks good, tap the Export button at the top right. CapCut will save the photo dump video directly to your gallery. And just like that, your photo dump is ready to share. And that's how you can easily make a photo dump on CapCut. This is a simple way to turn your memories into a clean and stylish video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and comment below for more easy editing tips.